so much faster than before. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this thing's gonna kill me. Good morning and welcome to part 2 of doing the gearbox in my B3 Passat PD150 engine conversion. Right, as you saw, I've done quite a lot in the first one. It's really windy today. What we got left to do today is, before the test drive, got to put these suspension back up on there, got to put the intake on. I'm going to go over it and make sure all the nuts and bolts are done up, and then I've got to put the drive shafts back on underneath the car, down there somewhere. So I've done all that, then we get to test drive it and see how it goes. So I'm not going to film any of this first bit because it's literally 2 bolts in the suspension, drive shafts on, unscrewed and intake on. So once I've done that, we'll get back to it and then be straight into the test drive, I suppose.
A few moments later.
Okay, drive shaft bolts all cleaned with a carb cleaner. I'll be using Loctite on them because these have been slowly undoing themselves. The whole time I've had the car, every now and again I've got to check them. Although I have noticed some of them, like this one there, that are pretty ruined. Probably why they're not staying in properly. So I'll put these in for now, but I will be getting some more. So yeah, let's get these in the car.
1 hour later.
Okay, very windy out here. It's all back together, I think. Battery's back on. You know, let's start it up for the first time after, well, it's not the first time, let's start it up. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll start it up with me in the car first. I can put my foot on the brake in case, let's test the gears out actually. Clutch. Clutch feels a bit, I don't know, doesn't feel that much resistance. Maybe that's just how it is though now. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Reverse seems to go in. Let's start this up. No, the battery's dead. No, the battery's dead. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
A few moments later.
Okay, I gave the starter a solenoid a couple of whacks, and then let's try this out again now, shall we? Oh. Oh, it's moving under its own steam. Let's. Okay. Okay. Let's get this thing out and see if all the gears work. Okay, let's go for a proper test drive. Go to the petrol station, get some fuel for it because I drained it out for the T4. So, test drive, petrol station. Right, petrol station, here we come. Test out the gears. All the gears seem to be working. Seems to be working. Steering wheel's a bit off centre, but because I had the front wheels off, sort that out. Tracking might need doing now as well. Having a listen for any noises that grinding or anything that shouldn't be there. Clutch feels fine. It all seems to be working. Steering wheel's off centre. Had the front wheels off though. Engine's a bit blah 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 blah. I think that's normal for a PD. It's been so long since I drove it, I can't bloody remember. Yeah, clutch is well low now. Brand new clutch. Oh. Gears seem a bit better than before. Before it was hit and guess where the gears were, but right. Temperature's going up alright. Third gear. Third gear seems good. Let's get it in fourth. Fourth gear seems fine. Let's give it a little beans. Seems fine. There was a few clinky bits when I first started it, but let's give it a blam. Still got the power. Wow. Let's get it in fifth. Fifth seems to work. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Need to do a bit of alignment on the wheels and get the camber right, but you know what? It's doing alright.
12 seconds later.
Woo-hoo-hoo. We're back in, baby. Wow. We're back. Oh, we're back. We are back, baby. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. We're back in action. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Let's test it out. Holy shit. Holy shit! Wow. This is nuts now. This is way faster than it. This gearbox is way faster than it was. I'm glad I went with the ASD. Cheers, Matt Waldock at T4 Mayhem for suggesting the ASD gearbox. Wow. Hell yeah. There we have it, peeps. My Passat is back up and running. Happy days. Sorted for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. See you the next one.